Hi everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. Today we're down at the allotment and we're still on our tidying up. If you're watching our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. What I've got, this is my neighbour's one, and he's abandoned it, and he's got all his brambles and everything coming over. So what I want to do is see if I can get out as much as this as I can, and then I've got some bulbs to plant in there. Those are my old gladiolis from last year, so I'm just trying to get everything out what I can and make a general tidy up. And this is the problem you have with these brambles. Once you start doing them, they just stick to you and everything. So let's hope we can make some progress today. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we're making some progress. I had to put on my longer gloves and I'm still getting stung by stinging nettles. Not through the gloves, like nothing goes through these gloves, but nothing goes through the gloves, but when you touch these stinging nettles here on the side of my legs, it's just stinging like mad. So that's the progress that we've made. It looks a lot more cleaner now. The fence is rotting down because my neighbour's not there, so I don't know. These lot, when you ask them anything down here, they just make up excuses. So I mean, there's a wire fence from here, but everything's leaned forward because of how everything is. See, this should be right back there, but because nothing's supporting it, all the bramble roots, look how thick this one is. And I've got my trees down there from last year. My peonies there, I think they're peonies, them one, this bush here. I think this is a magnolia if I'm not wrong. Could be wrong. I'm cutting out all the raspberry bushes as well, because they was here when I came and we don't eat them, so get rid of all those as well. I should have brought my chainsaw for these thick ones, but I might have to deal with that lot next time, or use a saw or something. So I'm going to carry on. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we're still making some progress. It's a long process because most of the brambles are on the other side and not on my side, because I cleared this out when I was putting in all this border stuff and everything. So what I've got, and I've had these for a few months now, and I've been driving up and down with them in the car. There's some tulip bulbs. Somebody gave me a bag of tulip bulbs. I keep saying that I'm going to get them in till they've almost started to perish, some of them. So I've dug a few holes and I'm just going to put them in and see what happens. If they come, they come. If they don't, they don't. I just don't know which, some of them I don't know which way up they go, but I'll get them in anyway. It's hard to tell which side is the root and which side is the upside. But you know, you have to do what you can to attract bees and things like that. So this is just wood mulch. it's starting to rot down now, so I know there's daffodils and that along here, and some tulip, all them gladiolis and everything what I planted the last time. Never saw nothing of those came up. Don't know if it's because of all the weather what we had, but I'm just planting these randomly in here. When we get the season going, then I'll get some other stuff and put in and see what happens again. That's all you can do. So I'm going to carry on with this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've left from outside and I've come in my polytunnel and I've got my carrots here, and this is some super phosphorus, so I'm just sprinkling a little bit on, not a lot. Then I'm going to just give this a light water in. This will just help the roots to get more established. Don't know how long, if these cabbages, if these are going to survive the winter, but if not, then I'll just have to take them out because I want to put new ones in for the rest of the year. So just giving that a little water. You don't need to give things a lot of water in now because of we're coming down to the winter months. So that's all the water I'm giving them. My pepper plants, just giving them a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, just to help them along through the winter. You don't need to give things a lot of things now. And that'll slowly go down. I can't do the baskets of fires because they're thing. Don't need to do my spring onions because those will soon all come out. The ginger and the turmeric, you don't need any in there. I can give these a little bit. Some people scared about throwing fertiliser on top of the plants, but if you're watering properly then it should be okay. So that's what we're doing. You can see my jalapenos have started flowering again, and so has my Scotch bonnet. So we'll see how those go. Just put that there first. So all I'm going to do, just give these a little tip of water, not a lot. Temperature's 10°C in here, so that's not too bad. You can see it's just a little tiny bit of water, not a lot. All the leaves are going to start to fall off now. You see, just shake it and all of them come off. My hibiscus here, wonderberry, fennel, and then the peppers. Because I'm not going to be back till Friday. Someone's asking me have I found out anything about my strimmer yet. Not yet. I'm going to phone them as soon as I get in. And see. I know they've got it, so they can't make up no stories and tell me that they haven't received it or anything. So you see now we've done all that, so that's all we can do today. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. So that's all we can do today. We're in the winter month, so it's all tidying up. Once I get the strimmer, I can strim and get outside tidied up and get all along the edge. Just have to take my time and do things, because working with them brambles ain't easy, so we just have to do what we can. So thanks for watching, and see you all on the next one. You take care until then.